Hi Murli, very happy birthday to you. Beat up some drums and maybe take out your guitar and sing some song. I really don't know whether you continued playing guitar or not, but during AFTC days, I remember that you used to be quite good at playing guitar and you also used to sing some pop songs really quite well. I'm very happy to recall that our association goes much before the AFTC days. You remember? Maybe it is just a sheer coincidence. We traveled in the same bogie and in the almost same enclosure, heading to SSB in Dehradun. We were the only two who got selected from that batch. I think one more person got selected after subsequent attempts. One thing I can tell you that you have always been a good communicator and a leader, and you led by setting examples. See, the leader in you and the tiger in you, to be precise, had to find a good place. Thanks to induction of Mirat 2000, we happened to be together right from pre-course at IIT, then the Mirat 2000 training in France, and subsequently working together in Gwalior. We had really wonderful time. We missed one chance to be together again, that is doing the staff course together. Due to some personal difficulties and also due to red alert and because of which I couldn't complete the junior commander's course in time. I couldn't join the course along with you. I had to join the next course. See, in a way it's tiger's nature to roar with lot of vigor and leap around. Obviously, that had to be heard and noticed from far off places. There are a lot of appreciations and adulations and distinguished awards came on your way, and I must say, you really wore it very lightly, but with the dignity and the decorum the award deserves. That's really very nice of you. Come to think of it, I can recall one incident. I think it was told to me by Shobha herself. During your, when you were awarded the VSM for the first time, you could steal some time of late Rajiv Gandhi for a snap together. Being of very shy nature, I am sure you wouldn't have managed. Shobha had done the trick. That's why today she is Air Marshal and going strong. Of course, there is no retirement for their role. Have a nice time. Be happy. God bless both of you. Keep it up.